Hello friends, welcome back to another quick puppet tutorial from my channel, Amuse Your Friends. In the spirit of Halloween, I will be showing you how to make this demon puppet. Before we start, you should know that this is another forward-facing puppet, meaning the puppet faces away from you, and that my head is behind this blue wall. So when you're making this demon, be sure to stand in front of a mirror or selfie camera. Alright, let's go. First, have your two hands facing each other like you're about to clap your hands. Next, take your thumbs and place them in the corner between your middle and ring fingers. The thumbs will be the eyes of the demon. Then, close all of your fingers except for your pointer fingers. Now, take your hands and bring them together. Pull out the ring and pinky fingers of one hand and wrap them on top of the matching fingers of the other hand. This will form the mouth of the demon. Bend your pointer fingers to make them look like horns. Take your pinky and move it up and down to open and close the mouth. I have to admit, moving the pinky like this is pretty unnatural, but with practice you should get it. Congratulations! You have finished making this spooky demon puppet. Go ahead and show it off at your next Halloween party or when you're trick-or-treating. Scare your friends and family. Let me know in the comments the reactions you get. Also, let me know what puppet you want to see in the next video. And of course,
subscribe, otherwise I will eat your soul.
have a happy Halloween and keep on amusing your friends.